Within the bunch of scientists that emerged in the 20th century, Einstein is the most well-known, almost like a pop star in the world of science. Not many have heard of the name Paul Dirac. He had developed the equation of the electron, which accurately predicted the existence of positron, and was used as the basis of development of most 20th century electronics. And if you're well aware of the superstring theory, which bases on the reconciliation of special theory relativity and quantum mechanics, you should be very familiar with his name. As far as I can tell, the reason why Paul Dirac is not a household name is because he was too nerdy and taciturn even by the standards of a physicist. While Niels Bohr was this jolly and highly social individual, Paul Dirac was just in another league of nerdiness. He wasn't witty and media-friendly like Einstein. He was un-Einstein, or as we call it, the Einstein. It was famously impossible to get Paul Dirac to answer a question with more than yes or no. He spoke the alien language of quantum mechanics like a native, and it was all he cared about. Einstein worried about whether God played dice, and Paul Dirac just wanted to make equations balance. And if the equations worked, the universe will fill in the variables beautifully. He once remarked, "God is a mathematician of a very high order." Paul Dirac was brilliant. He was so brilliant that nobody knew what was going on in his mind. He appeared to be this awfully quiet and shy young man who would go on solitary walks, but then he would seldom speak of the most ironic and humorous. In his late 20s, Dirac and Heisenberg took a cruise together to Japan. Heisenberg, who was a social animal, was getting his dance on with the ladies, and Paul Dirac asked, "Why do you dance?" Heisenberg replied, "Not unreasonably. When there are nice girls around, it is a pleasure to dance." Paul Dirac thought about this for a good 5 minutes, and then asked, "Heisenberg, how do you know beforehand that girls are nice?" Paul Dirac had a strong disbelief in religion, and this led to one of the famous sayings about him, "There is no God, and Dirac is his prophet." Aside from his unsocial and odd nature, Paul Dirac was very well respected and admired by many other scientists in the 1930s, such as Niels Bohr and Max Born. After completing his studies in electrical engineering in 1921 at the age of 19, Paul Dirac could not find a job in the field because of the poor economic conditions. He decided to study at St. John's College at Cambridge along with Max Born. At the age of 26, Paul Dirac accurately predicted the behaviors and properties of electrons mathematically and developed the theory of quantum electrodynamics that was an important part of the quantum field theory. Along with Schrödinger, he won the Physics Nobel Prize in 1933. Paul Dirac's equation and his theory of electrons has remained firm up to the present day. His predictions have been verified for all atomic and molecular systems. So I hope you remember Paul Dirac, the strange young chap who believed the beauty of mathematics and one of the founding fathers of quantum mechanics.